In this aid, we will voice our fundamentally own and market's viewpoint on KDA future while examining the Kadena cost figure for 2023 and past in a really significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to take this in any and every practical sense. Other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand. Generally, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Kadena, which certainly is genuinely huge. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive in every practical sense, profound into the Kadena value forecast and answer questions in the event that KDA is an especially wise speculation or not. For what reason will KDA truly succeed or really come up short, or for what reason will Kadena value rise or drop? We should rapidly truly toss a look at what KDA in a real sense is in its to-date history, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. KDA value expectation for the really next 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a sort of complete breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will explicitly be essentially more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers sort of are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional truly steady business sectors, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe especially play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees as some fundamentally green in 2023, particularly in the sort of second piece of the year, or so they thought. This is essentially reflected in our 2023 forecasts, or so they thought. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and sort of alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We really have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history, or so they truly thought. Our cost expectation model fundamentally is negative for the in every way that really matters. Next 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, or so they most certainly thought. We expect whales and essentially other greater players in the market to explicitly wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike in an unpretentious manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each task in a genuinely significant manner. Basics that we basically assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few most certainly other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 plus 6.26% $1 25 2023 01 27 plus 7.46% $1 26 2023 01 28 plus 7.35% $1 26 2023 01 29 3.55% $1 13 2023 01 303.01% $1 14 2023 01 31 plus 5.53% $1 24 2023 02 01 plus 5.13% $1 23 2023 02 02 plus 1.05% $1 1A 2023 02 03 3.80% $1 13 2023 02 04 5.08% $1.11 Kadena value forecast 2023, which explicitly is very critical, high expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance most certainly considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022 in a significant manner. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with essentially large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 sort of isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will presumably certainly see a ton of truly exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to sort of slip in every practical sense, lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise, or so they explicitly thought. Beneath really is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 15.46% $0 9907 2023 Blemish 28.93% $0 8329 2023 APRA 20.72% $0 9291. 2023 May 11.55% $1.04 2023 June 8.43% $1.07 2023 Joe plus 6.15% $1.24 2023 AUG plus 14.48% $1.34 2023 SEP plus 18.59% $1.39 2023 OCT plus 25.71% $1.47 2023 NOV plus 33.48% $1.56 2023 DEC plus 47.12% $1.72 2024 JAN plus 56.00% $1.83 KDA value expectation 2025 Our forecast model sees KDA coming to $2.90 in 2025, which generally is genuinely huge. What will KDA be in every way that really matters? Worth in 5 years, which is very critical. The cost of KDA in 5 years could by and large lie around $2.80. Kadena value forecast 2030 to 2040 What Kadena will be truly worth in 2030, or so they thought. Our Guajing model sees Kadena coming to $7.25 in 2030 amazingly. What Kadena will be worth in 2040. Our Guajing model sees Kadena coming to $14.50 in 2040, or so they thought. Will Kadena generally supplant, sort of outperform, sort of overwhelm Bitcoin, or so they thought? No, Kadena won't sort of supplant or surpass BTC in an unpretentious manner. Might Kadena at any point basically reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Kadena to reach $1,000 in the very short or mid-term period in a genuinely large manner. Is Kadena in every practical sense worth purchasing amazingly? We basically are supporters of respectably unsafe money management, generally contribute the vast majority of most certainly your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of in every practical sense, enormous cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Kadena truly merits purchasing, or so they thought. Is Kadena a wise venture? Kadena is, very much like all really other digital forms of money, an unsafe speculation, which is very critical. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, especially dynamic local area and a truly strong group behind it. How kind of much will Kadena generally be especially worth in an unpretentious manner? For the sort of transient future, it could generally reach 71 cents, in spite of prevalent thinking. In the long haul, it could leap to $7.25 or much higher. For what reason will Kadena succeed and truly get more expensive? Kadena sort of has a sort of good use case, very much planned tokenomics, genuinely dynamic local area, and a kind of strong group behind it. These for the most part are an essential for progress. And that really is the reason our expectation model sees Kadena ascending to $7.25 in 2030 incredibly. For what reason will Kadena fizzle and drop in cost in a significant manner? Crypto projects truly fall flat because of multiple factors, which truly is genuinely critical. Probably the most especially normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of very much planned promoting methodology, losing local area support, expected weakness in the convention.